So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us welcome our 9 lovely, beautiful ladies vying for the title Team Aisang Lawaan 2024, wearing Albert Naltets collection and their production number. Ladies and gentlemen, on our free speech, please welcome candidate number 9.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Chloe A. Paunelio, and I am proud to call Barangay Lawaan my home. It is not just a place, it is a community where we truly belong. Growing up here, I've seen firsthand the dedications of barangay officials and SK officials. They are not just leaders, they are neighbors who care deeply about making Lawaan a better place for everyone. They work tirelessly to improve our lives. They've shown us that even a small acts of kindness can make a big difference. I am inspired by their passion and commitment. They've created a place where we feel supported and connected. I am not just representing Lawaan tonight, but I am representing the spirit of our community. A spirit of unity, hard work, and love. And that would be all. Thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, your candidate number 9, Chloe Argos Valdivia. Her handler is Raymar Versava. Ladies and gentlemen, your candidate number 9, Chloe Argos Valdivia. Let's welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates for the San Juan 2024. Okay, please welcome candidate number 9. Wow, sino yung handler candidate number 9?
Si Sir Raymar Versava.
Dahil lang do familiar sa ako, pero hindi ako yung tutuon. Hindi ko sila masyadong kilala tanan. Oh. Hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko siya makatuwa. Ayaw siya dila makatuba. Katuba mo, Jens. O nga. Kasi ikba-sikba masamangan sa ako. Wala ko yan sa laha. Kita niyo bala yung ginaobra sa ako. Chares. Okay, lihog ko pasa sa aton judges. Tulo discuss kita gamay. Pila na mo edad, candidate number 9?
I'm 14 years old.
Di ba? Bata-bata. Sa 14 ako. Ano natabo sa ako? Bastos na nigay ko istorya. Pakugaya, nakita niyo na tayo. Hindi ba pasa pa ang picture, ha? Ano ba din natabo sa 14? Basta ang memorable ko yan sa 17 ako. Kaya dito siya ang nabuka ang amon mga face. Okay. Candidate number 9, you may now discuss your picture.
Floods and other disasters makes us sad nowadays. This picture represents the results of our ignorance and abuse to our Mother Earth. By doing this, we should start reusing, reducing, and recycling, and start throwing garbage in the proper way. And we should start planting more trees and stop using plastic, because I believe that flood and other disasters are causing a danger in our Mother Nature. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 9, and that ends our interview portion. You have witnessed Kung balik ay panahon stage, Lalaine, Jeanette, and Jennifer to give our 9 lovely ladies their consolation prizes. Ay, bongga, may pa-pants, may pa-dove, may pa-Rexona, ano pa na? Diba lang kagtanan sila, of course, together with Ayan Jeronimo Parcon. Mapa-picture taking man sila ma'am para at least bakwanan man. Hindi nila bala basta-basta ang ilang gift packs. More than 500 ina. Gabaka lang na anak ko dam mahal ina. So da may bilindi nga isa bikini me. Charis. So let's have a picture taking together with our candidates. Ladies and gentlemen, Madamo ugit nga salamat, Lalaine, Jeanette, and Jennifer. So now, ladies, Miss Crimsel to be awarded by Miss Lalaine Albay. Miss Crimsel. Sino yung band mag Miss Crimsel? Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Crimsel awarded by Miss Lalaine Albay is candidate number... Candidate number 9! We would like to request Miss managed by Glyza Rendon Serrano. Requesting Ms. Liza Rendon Serrano to kindly award our Isa Lipton Choice Award. Our Isa Lipton Choice Award goes to candidate number... Our next special award is Joa's Dry Goods Choice Award, owned and managed by Isa Ann Bascos Socias. So requesting the owner, Isa Ann Bascos Socias, to kindly award our Joa's Dry Goods Choice Award. Our Joa's Dry Goods Choice Award to be awarded by Isa Ann Bascos Socias goes to candidate number... Candidate number 9! Our next special award is MBRTW Choice Award to be awarded by Marilyn Bascos, requesting this. Again, requesting Honorable Kagawad Irene Bascos to present our Best in Play Suit. Our Best in Play Suit goes to candidate number... Again, the decision of our Honorable Board of Judges is irrevocable. Next in line is our best in interview, of course, to be awarded by the lovely Best in Interview goes to candidate number 9. So we are now waiting. Our first finalist that enters our top 5 is candidate number 9. Okay, may I now request candidates 1, 8, 4, and 5 sulod sa salakyan. Again, narin din yung mga candidates 9, 1, 8, 4, and 5. O, di ba lang? Candidate number 9, how do you feel tonight?
I feel nervous, but I feel happy at the same time.
Wala kang sila makasulod ay basi mabatuan ang pamangkot sa sulungan gabi. Okay? So may pasalakyan kita sa sulungan gabi. May gusto kang pasalamatan, candidate number 9?
Yes, I would like to thank my family and my friends over here supporting me.
Wala pa? Kung sa pagkalayo-layo, nagalisin ito kinaklan kung information number bago ako magkuha. Kung kinaklan, kung niya magsaot, pag gusto niya kaabot sa akin. Ay, yan ang kamukha! Ano? Ano ga? Buka-buha ko sa nakaputi. Ano yung mga ngalan ga? Iba na yung cellphone number. Charit. Bulay layo. Ronald, ano? Hindi man ito yung ngalan. Okay. Sure sa Facebook, ano? May tao sa Facebook. Ready na? Bati Andrea kasay. Ito ko lang layo kasi sa lakyan. Wala niya sa may gasim niya sa akon. Kindly give. Wala pa. Wait ko no wait. Oh, Diyos ko sa technology sa subong. Tawagin niyo na lang ako. Kung pwede na ako mahambal. Ayun na ganda na ako. Oo, ganda na ganda na. Hinahinay lang lang lang. Ganda na yung asa na muna ka. So again, we would like to thank John Green Kapdasan and Company para sa atong sound system and lights for tonight. Aringan si Kaloy Garadar, si Mick Alba, si Shin Kitty Alba, si Bersabal, Raymond Bersabal, si Joshua Joe Makilan, si Nonito de la Cruz, si Madrid de la Cruz, si Ramon Van Noble. Sino pang wala ko na mention? Are we ready now?
Yes!
Okay na, wala pa kabalikan ng organizer na si Ian Jeronimo Parcon. So wala pa sa kaselya. Ara na, okay na, okay. Now, hindi pagkulbaan ha, be natural. Kaya pa nila, kung natural ako no, kung muna akong magwapa sa kunan. Yung guwapa, makulang ko na pangit ako nilo. Ganda o mga contest, pero ko na pangit ako nilo. Ikaw yung gifted, pasalamati na na. Here's your top 5 question. Okay? Tagaan pa siya na tayo magbasa bago ko basahin sa inyo. Is it okay now? Okay. Beauty pageant can inspire change. If you were to start a campaign to inspire positive change in your community, what would it be and how would you rally to support it? Again, beauty pageant can inspire change. If you were to start a campaign to inspire positive change in your community, what would it be and how would you rally to support it?
If I will win tonight, it will not just be a title nor a crown for me, but it would be a great opportunity for me to inspire young women. In what ways? First, as Alin Ay Sanglawaan, I will encourage them to be confident in whatever they want, either be in academics, extracurricular activities, in other areas where we excel as young women. Second, I will motivate them to show their uniqueness and talents in different platforms nowadays in social media so that they are confident enough and overcome shyness. Lastly, growing up as a shy girl, I realized that we should not keep the best versions of ourselves. Instead, we should love and embrace what we want to do and strive harder on the things that we want to achieve. So I stand here tonight as an example. By joining pageant, I realized that I am not just joining to win the title, but I am joining to inspire young women and be the best versions of themselves. That would be all. Thank you.
Grabe ang patorotot pa. Justin, batian mo to? May naiintindihan ka to, Ten? Wala na. Diyos ko, kasi pakulong niya ako. I-announce una, ako ang Linay Sanglawaan 2024. So to award our first runner-up, of course, may I request our Honorable Chairperson, Mark Vincent Atinon, and of course, to award our Linay Sanglawaan 2024. Idug-idug ka mo, di mo forward ko nung... Dili lang pala. Kaya sige. Second runner-up, dili ka kung anay, Baliskan ba lang? Sige, bahala ka mo dahil. Kailangan lang ang second runner-up. Anong ginachismisan niya da? Anong sunan buwas? So, ipainchindi ko lang ha, ang lawagon ko, ang Linay Sanglawaan 2024 nga pagkapurunahan ni Caroline Magdaluyo kang pag-awardan ni Honorable Barangay Captain Jocelyn Asis, and of course, ang first runner-up sa inyo, pag-awardan ni Honorable SK Chairperson Mark Vincent Atinon. Okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our Linay Sanglawaan 2024 is... Again, madamong salamat kay Justin Garcia sa ating organizer, si Ayan Jeronimo Parpon, and of course, our SK Council, headed by Mark Vincent Atinon, and Honorable Jocelyn Cordoba Asis. Domastro, finally, our winner for Linay Sanglawaan 2024 is... aton Honorable Barangay Captain Jocelyn Asis, together with the Barangay Council, ang aton Honorable Board of Judges, Madamo Salamat, Justina Garcia, thank you so much. Ian Parquat, to Brown Al, to Donito Jik de la Cruz, Madamo Salamat, to Ramon Van Noble, Madamo Salamat. Presenting you our winners. We would like to have a picture taking together with our Honorable Barangay Kagawats and of course our SK Chairperson. Saliwan, Madamo Salamat, Barangay Lawaan. Bailuan ay Kabolangga, number 9, dili ka sa piha. Sa tunga si ikaw yan number 1 sa tunga kagid. Okay na. That's it.